I'm using a 6mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch in the ring. So you're going to do that as many times as you like in this ring. So I'm going to do one more. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch in the ring. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make probably 8 more petals in my ring. Okay, I've done 8 more petals, which means I have a total of 10. Fasten off. And your poinsettia is going to curl, so if you don't want that to happen, flatten down all the petals, and you can either spritz it with water and put a heavy book over it, or you could hold a steam iron above it, release some steam, and then just tap it down. So now I'm going to sew a gold button in the center, and then I have this gold Christmas garland, and I'm going to put one row of garland all the way around. Now you can either sew that on or glue it on. I hope you enjoy crocheting this poinsettia.